You know what time it is. Roll up to Eagle Express. We got what you need. We got the suds and the shine. We are a rare breed. Eagle Express is where the grind meets a smash. In the hard sandy wind, we're ready for the catch. With powerful brushes spinning fast and strong. Come on in and get your car shine on. Tune to 90.3 and sing along. We can, we will, we are Barbers Hill. Cleaning up the grime, we doing the work while you chill. We can, we will, we are Barbers Hill. Rolling through the Eagle Express, we are the real deal. Summer's heat makes you scream. Radio playing Eagle tunes, it's American dream. Pull on through, let the cool water swipe. Watch the mud and the crud disappear out of sight. You came to the right spot, oh yes you did. Shine up your ride like when you were a kid. Eagle Express won't let you down. We kill it, we wear the crown. Come on in and watch your car shine on. Tune to 90.3 and sing along. We can, we will, we are Barbers Hill. Cleaning up the grime, we doing the work while you chill. We can, we will, we are Barbers Hill. Rolling through the Eagle Express, we are the real deal. Our custom tunes, blasting while the spray hits the roof. Feels like we're burnt with the dust shaking loose. Tires squeaking as they polish and gleam. Eagle Express brings you right to the dream. We can, we will, we are Barbers Hill. Oh, rolling through the Eagle Express, we are the real deal. Stay tuned to 90.3 and sing along. Coming up next is another great song. We do the world while you chill. Rolling through the Eagle Express, we are the real deal.
Cruising through Barbers Hill, Friday nights alive. Heading to Eagle Express, gotta make that rock drive. Rolling up to the scene, anticipation gleams. In a drive-through car wash where dreams become pristine. Soap suds flying, water spraying, feeling so alive. In this neon-lit oasis where our rides come alive. Eagle Express is supposed to be to make your ride clean and mean. Shining bright on the Friday night lights, it's like a movie scene. From muddy trails to city streets, we're living out our dream. At Eagle Express, we make our rides gleam. From the dusty trails to the city's beat, our rides tell stories as we cruise the streets. Eagle Express has our eyes turning heads tonight. With a fresh coat of shine, we're out of sight. Soap suds flying, water spraying, feeling so alive. In this neon-lit oasis where our rides come alive. Eagle Express, the spot to be to make your ride clean and mean. Shining bright on the Friday night lights, it's like a movie scene. From muddy trails to city streets, we're living out our dream. At Eagle Express, we make our rides gleam. As the brushes whirl and the water cascades, we're feeling like kings and queens on this parade. In this chrome palace, our vehicles reign supreme. Here in Barbers Hill, it's more than just a room. make you ride clean and mean. Shining bright on the Friday night lights, it's like a movie scene. From muddy trails to city streets, we're living out our dream. At Eagle Express, we make our rides gleam. Let's go Barbers Hill. So if you're rolling through Barbers Hill on a Friday night, and you wanna make your ride a sparkling ride, head on down to Eagle Express where it's done right. Cause when it comes to making your ride clean and mean, your vehicle will lead nice and bright. Bright! Woo! Nice and bright. Nice and bright. I said nice and bright.
Small town lights, cars jump fast. Here's a magical spot, we make cleaning a blast. Eagle Express brushes twist and turn, soap, suds, and water, making vehicles gleam and burn.
Yeah, Eagle Express, going extreme.
You know we can, you know we will. You know we are Barbers Hill. Eagle Express, you know we are the real deal. We do the work while you chill. Let's go. Through the tunnel they go, 4 in a row. Soft brushes scrubbing, making dirt say time to go.
Adios.
The wheels spinning, so grit and bubbles popping, we win. Clean scent in the air, Eagle Express, making cleanest rides anywhere.
Adios.
Rub it up, dub, look at that shine. You know we can, you know we will. You know we are Barbers Hill. Eagle Express, you know we are the real deal. We do the work while you chill. Let's go. From trucks to sedans, they all get the chance at Eagle Express, where clean cars dance. Smiles and cheers, zoom on through, sun shining bright like Eagle Blue. Goodbye dirt, adios. Come on now, keep 'em rolling. So next time you're out, your car needs a spruce, head to Eagle, we got the juice. Like Mr. Clean would say, Eagle Express, making cars bright the only way. Eagle Express, clean as can be. So remember this rhyme as you drive down the lane. Eagle Express, where cars are washed without any pain. Stay tuned to 90.3 and sing as we meet. Eagle Express, we make the experience complete. Yeah, Eagle Express, keeping it fresh. We can, you know we will. You know we are Barbers Hill. Eagle Express, you know we are the real deal. We do the work while you chill. Let's go. Let's go. From trucks to sedans, they all get the chance at Eagle Express, where clean cars dance. Smiles and cheers, zoom on through, sun shining bright like Eagle Blue. Goodbye dirt, adios. Come on now, keep 'em rolling. So next time you're out, your car needs a spruce, head to Eagle, we got the juice. Like Mr. Clean would say, sun shining bright like Eagle Blue. Goodbye dear, adios. Goodbye dirt, adios. Come on now, keep 'em rolling, keep 'em fresh.